About getting injured while riding your bicycle. We're here with the Law and Human attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Thanks for being here.
Tis the season for bike riding.
Everybody's back out there on the streets and the sidewalks, so let's find out this situation and see what the legal story is. Question here is, I was riding my bike and got hit by a car that has no insurance. What do I do to get my medical bills paid? So how does Anonymous handle that?
Sure, it's a very good question. And so what you're going to have to do, the car that hit you has no insurance. So you're actually going to be able to go to your own automobile insurance in your home in order to get your medical bills paid through what's called your first party medical benefits. Every policy in the state of Pennsylvania has a provision or has some amount of first party medical benefits. That's where you're going to go first in order to get your medical bills paid until the limits are exhausted. Once those limits are exhausted, then you would go to your own health insurance. But that's pretty much what you're going to need to do in order to get your medical bills paid on.
And assuming they have insurance, because if they don't have insurance, then you would have to take a direct action against the driver of the car, regardless if they have insurance or not, and try to collect on for your medical bills. Because if you don't have insurance in your home, he's riding a bicycle, so we don't know if they have a car or not, and then this guy has none, so you do have a legal action against the driver or the owner of the vehicle to recover your bills.
Yep.
So, again, and Ed's right, if you do have insurance, make sure and again, you want to make sure you have the right insurance, so always check with your agent, make sure you have underinsured. You can check your first party medical benefits. This is exactly the situation we always talk about, that a lot of drivers in northeastern Pennsylvania do not have insurance or the adequate insurance, so you have to protect yourself. Take the time, give us a call, we'll look at your deck page, talk to your agent, find out what your insurance are, because this is the exact scenario where you're picking up the phone going, now what?
Yeah, very, very important, especially during this time of year, because technically you're a bicyclist, but you're considered you would be considered a pedestrian under the circumstances, so your own insurance would really apply.
Legal advice, these guys have it for you. Call them, check them out online, and don't forget, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks for being here. PAHomepage.com and the Law and You Hotline are there for you.